observed on 14th of April, declared as holiday. So you all know the significance of holiday, why holidays are declared. Yes? Any special occasion? Yes? Holidays are given for a special occasion, for special celebration, events, celebration, festive occasion. And yes, indeed, 14th April is a festive occasion, a great significance day for millions of followers of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, just like Diwali. On Diwali, we all fire crackers, we all distribute sweets, yes? So this 14th of April is a great festive occasion for millions of followers of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar across the world, when they offer their prayers, they pay their tribute to the legendary. Because this day was born a great legend who sacrificed his entire life for the upliftment of the underprivileged Dalits and for giving them basic rights, the right to education, the right to drinking water. Yes? So this great legend, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, on this 14th of April, people, they take grand royal processions, Mirorok, they distribute sweets, they dance, and there are different ways by which they share their emotions and happiness for this celebration day. There is lot to talk about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the great legend, the great jurist, the great leader, a great politician, great economist, a great writer, social reformer, and
Sangham Saranam Gacchami
that we can pay tribute. So now it's time for a melodious touch. Our Bhave sir, Kushal sir, they have set a wonderful melodious song which depicts the life personality, the humble personality of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So let's have a ear to this melodious song.
No, as a responsible citizen, I would not mind pulling from a child. You should be in school now. This is only the thing I do to earn my living. Where is your mom? I need to talk with her. Yes, she's right here. Don't you think your child needs a better education when he should go in school? I don't think so. I need someone to earn for me. You know, you might be liable for a punishment for the same, and children below 18 years should not be employed as laborers. They have a right to education. I am sorry, madam. I will make sure that my son goes to school. Thank you. Yes, may I have the file? He has a perfect qualification and experience required for this job. Oh, but let me just check which caste he belongs to. He belongs to a different caste, so we cannot hire him. But only qualification and experience required for a job. You cannot hire an employee based on his caste. I will surely see you in a court. Here, listen you all. Today, you all would be working overtime. But boss, today I have to go early as my son is not well and I have to take him to the doctor. No, I will not send you home as there is lot of pending work to be done and it is end of the month. But boss, you cannot do this. You are already paying us low wages and making us to do a lot of work. We will surely meet in court. Our constitution supports rights against exploitation.
Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is also renowned as a father of a constitution.